Gita. Hare Krishna to all of you. Yeah. So we'll tell this prayer, okay? Hey Krishna Karuna Sindhu.
Hey Krishna Karuna Sindhu.
Dina Bandhu Jagatpate.
Dina Bandhu Jagatpate.
Gopesha Gopika Kanta.
Gopesha Gopika Kanta.
Okay, prayers, all of you can unmute and chant, okay? Radha Kanta Namostute.
Radha Kanta Namostute.
Tapta Kanchana Gaurangi.
Tapta Kanchana Gaurangi.
Radhe Vrindavaneshwari.
Radhe Vrindavaneshwari.
Vrishabhanu Sute Devi.
Vrishabhanu Sute Devi.
Pranamami Haripriye.
Pranamami Haripriye.
Jai Shri Krishna Chaitanya.
Jai Shri Krishna Chaitanya.
Prabhu Nityananda.
Prabhu Nityananda.
Shri Advaita Gadadhara.
Shri Advaita Gadadhara.
Srivasadi Gaura Bhakta Vrinda.
Srivasadi Gaura Bhakta Vrinda.
So all of you know Hare Krishna mantra, right? Okay.
Yes, Mataji.
Hare Krishna, Hare Krishna.
Hare Krishna, Hare Krishna. Hare Krishna.
Krishna Krishna, Hare Hare.
Krishna Krishna, Hare Hare.
Hare Rama, Hare Rama.
Hare Rama, Hare Rama.
Rama Rama, Hare Hare.
Rama Rama, Hare Hare.
अगर किसी को ये प्रेयर नहीं मालूम है, if anybody don't know this prayer, that is introduction of Bhagavad Gita.
Which one, Mataji?
Yeah, it is in the introduction of Bhagavad Gita. Okay. So now I'm going to mute everybody. Yeah. So which chapter we are starting today? Chapter 8. Yeah. So that means already we have completed chapter 7. All the chapters from chapter 1 to chapter 7. We have completed. Some of you are always there present with me from chapter 1. Like Aradhya. Say possible put your videos on, okay? Yeah. That will be more personal. So Aradhya was there from chapter 1. So many of them joined later in chapter 2, chapter 3. Okay, so that is how we are continuing our journey from now in chapter 8. So every time Krishna starts a chapter, it's always connected with the previous chapter. So I'm going to tell little about why this chapter started, okay? Anybody remember the previous chapter? Chapter 7, last shloka? Anyone?
Mataji.
Yeah.
Knowledge of the absolute.
I'm asking last shloka of
Last
7th
shloka
chapter.
is not there actually.
Okay, I'm going to tell, okay? I'm going to share. So this was the last shloka we learned where Krishna is telling those in full consciousness of me, that means who know me as a Supreme Lord and the governing principle that he is the main person in all this material manifestation also of the demigods and all the sacrifice. If one understands Krishna that he is the supreme of all the demigods, all the sacrifices, then what happens? He can know me at the time of death. So that is the last shloka which Krishna is speaking. That one who knows me as a supreme of demigods, of all the sacrifice, of all the material manifestation, they will know me. They will. So that is a point where our next chapter is starting. So what is this point at the time of death? Is it important to remember Krishna at the time of death? Anybody? बहुत बड़ा topic है.
Yes.
So why we have to remember Krishna at the time of death?
So we can go back to Lord Krishna.
We
All
can
of
go
it.
back. Yeah, we can. Whatever we remember at the time of death, that is where we go. So why we have to go to Krishna? Simple answer, okay? No complicated answer. Why can't we stay here only? Everything is nice, right? Nice mama, papa, nice.
Mataji, this is the place of suffering, Mataji. Dukkhalaya
Yeah, very good. We have some type of suffering or other, right? Even though mummy, papa, everything is good, school is good, but there is somebody who is going to trouble us. There's something always troubling us. So what happened? Krishna himself is telling in Bhagavad Gita that this place is the place of suffering, dukkhalayam. So what he is suggesting us that we have to go back to him. Now we are in this state, how we can go back to him? That is what it is explained in this chapter. Okay. So that is where we start. Arjuna is asking now question, like what is this all about? From the last shloka of 7th chapter, whatever Krishna told, Adi Bhuta, Adi Yajna. What are these things? I didn't understand. That's what Krishna is going to explain in this chapter. And how can we remember him at the time of death? This is also a question asked by Arjuna. Anybody remember anyone else also asked this question, right? What should I do at the last minute of my life? Anyone remember? Who asked this question? One more great personality.
Parikshit Maharaj.
Parikshit Maharaj.
Very good. Parikshit Maharaj. He was told he is only having 7 days. So he also asked such questions. Okay. So Arjuna didn't have 7 days, but he was in the, where he was? Okay, this, nobody, somebody who is new will answer me. Where is this Bhagavad Gita spoken? Arav can tell?
जी माताजी कुरुक्षेत्र
Kurukshetra battlefield.
कुरुक्षेत्र में क्या हो रहा था?
युद्ध.
युद्ध. Shiraj, wait. Somebody new. Yeah. Yes, Arav. बोलो क्या हो रहा था?
पांडव और कौरव के बीच में युद्ध हो रहा था.
युद्ध हो रहा था. Very good. It was about to start, right? युद्ध चालू होने वाला था. That time Arjuna wanted to see कौन है, who are present in the battlefield in the both the sides, right? That is where, but he was confused. कौन थे उधर? पांडव, कौरव, right? सब लोग कौन थे? सब रिश्तेदार थे ना? कौरव also रिश्तेदार थे. They were all relatives, father, grandfather, grand uncle, maternal uncle, this side uncle, this side uncle. Some everybody were relatives. So Arjuna was very confused whether he should fight or not, right? Was the confusion right? Yeah? Can we fight with our own relatives? Yes, no? कर सकते क्या? No, right? Yeah. No. So that is what Arjuna also felt. How can I fight with my own relatives? But Krishna told a different story here, right? Arjuna was confused. That is where Krishna started the Bhagavad Gita. So there are many chapters. The first chapter name, anybody who can tell the first chapter name?
Arjuna Vishada Yoga.
Yeah, this all of you can tell. Arjuna Vishada Yoga. The confusion of Arjuna. But why it is considered a yoga? Because सबको English आता है ना? Everybody can understand what I'm speaking? Yes, anybody finding difficulty?
No.
No? All of you can understand. Okay? So Arjuna's confusion was also called as yoga because that led to the Bhagavad Gita. Bhagavad Gita कितना साल पहले बोला हुआ है? Can tell? How many years before?
Mataji, so like 5,000 something like that.
Yeah, 5,000 plus years. 5,000 plus years के पहले एक book बनाया and it is still we are reading. How important? Can you feel that? It's so important, right? Yes or no? Will we
Mataji, it's
study?
very important.
If we finish our grade 5, will we go back to grade 3 book or grade 6 book? कौन सा book पढ़ेंगे?
Mataji, grade 6 book, Mataji.
Of course, grade 6, right? Grade 3 पे कोई जाएगा
Yes.
वापस? No, we'll not go there because it becomes old trend हो गया है. But now we are studying Bhagavad Gita, which is 5,000 years old, but still it is very fresh and everybody wants to learn, right? When we learn it, Krishna is telling in the 7th chapter, when we learn it, there is nothing which we will not be known. Everything will be known to us very easily of this world when you know Bhagavad Gita. And this Bhagavad Gita is not going to be only for 7th year or grade 5, grade 6 or grade 7. It is going to be there with you throughout your life, right? So Arjuna was confused. So the first chapter, because his confusion was connected with Krishna, it became Arjuna Vishada Yoga, right? Second chapter's name. Who can tell? Chapter 2 name.
Sankhya Yoga.
Sankhya Yoga. Yeah, everybody else can answer this. Don't worry about whether you're new or old, okay? Sankhya Yoga. So Sankhya Yoga, in chapter 2, Krishna summarized everything. Actually, Bhagavad Gita was finished there itself. All the concepts which Krishna wanted to explain to Arjuna, everything was given in chapter 2. But Krishna wanted to, Arjuna wanted to get it more detail. For whom? For all of us. Right? Arjuna understood everything. But for all of us Kali Yuga people and for all of us who are coming, Arjuna asked some more questions and the chapter 3 started. What is the chapter 3 name?
Karma Yoga.
Karma Yoga. Very good. Okay, perfect. Karma Yoga is whatever we do activities, how we are connecting it with Krishna. Yoga means yoga ka matlab hai connecting with the Supreme Lord. Okay. So how we are connecting? Either we are connecting with Vishada Yoga or with our karma. And the 4th chapter is? Yes.
Jnana Yoga.
Jnana Yoga. Perfect. Yeah. Jnana Yoga. By knowledge, we connect with Krishna. What is the 5th chapter name?
Jnana Yoga.
5th chapter.
Sannyasa Yoga.
Karma Sannyasa Yoga. Okay, this also karma Sannyasa Yoga, but it is connected with how this karma can be more upgraded. Okay, it is more based on action in Krishna consciousness. 6th chapter.
Dhyana Yoga.
Dhyana Yoga. Very good. How can we meditate upon Krishna and attain Krishna? That is the 6th chapter. Okay, the first 6 chapters are the cover. Okay, and the last 6 chapter cover. One more cover in between, like a cake. Right? There is a bread portion up and there is a bread portion down. In between, what is there? What is there? Cake के बीच में 2 piece. Cake के बीच में क्या रहता है? Huh? Cream. Anybody like here cream? Or you like the bread cake portion?
Mataji, cream.
Yeah,
Mataji,
the
I like cream.
cream. Very good. The cream is the 7th to 12th chapter. Yeah. That is the Bhakti Yoga, about everything about devotional service. So 7th chapter, Krishna gave an introduction about himself. So now Arjuna, it is all 7 to 12, everything directly about Krishna only, not about dhyana, not about karma, not about karma sannyasa. Okay, the 7th chapter name is, who can tell? Yes, Madhavi?
Jnana Vijnana Yoga.
Yeah, yes, Jnana Vijnana. Okay, Jnana means knowledge and Vijnana means you experience that knowledge. So now all of us going to experience the knowledge, not only know about Krishna, we also get to experience Krishna in these chapters. In 7 to 12, it is a cream. It's very important part. Okay. So who can tell me all the 7 chapters name in the order? Raise your hands. Okay. Please raise your hands.
Mommy.
Raise your hands. Yeah. Okay. Aradhya.
Arjuna Vishada Yoga, Sankhya Yoga, Karma Yoga, Jnana Yoga, Dhyana Yoga,
Karma Sannyasa.
Karma Sannyasa Yoga,
Dhyana
and
Yoga.
Jnana Vijnana Yoga.
Dhyana Yoga, I took it before. It's a 6th chapter. Okay.
Okay.
Yeah. Okay. Gauranga Singh. Please.
Mataji, Arjuna Vishada Yoga, Sankhya Yoga, Karma Yoga,
Jnana Yoga.
Jnana Yoga, Jnana
Karma Sannyasa Yoga.
Karma Sannyasa Yoga,
Dhyana.
Then
Then Jnana Vijnana Yoga.
Gyan Vijnana Yoga.
Very good. Yes. Vishwajit. Abhijit. Go on. Yes. Vishwajit or Abhijit. Who want to tell?
Arjuna Vishada Yoga, Sankhya Yoga,
Uh-huh.
Arjuna Vishada Yoga, Sankhya Yoga,
Karma Yoga.
Jnana Yoga,
Karma Yoga. Jnana Yoga. And then confused. Karma Sannyasa Yoga, Jnana Yoga, and Jnana Vijnana Yoga. All of us would like to repeat. Anyone else want to tell all the 7 chapters name? No?
Mataji,
We cannot
hear you.
What happened?
We cannot hear you. Now we can hear.
Anybody having problem hearing me? All of you can hear me? Show your thumbs up. Yeah.
Yes,
Thumbs up if you can hear me. Okay. So all of us will repeat all the chapters name. Okay. So I'll repeat once. All of you can repeat after me. Okay. Arjuna Vishada Yoga.
Arjuna
Vishada Yoga.
Okay. After every, so this chapter, 8 chapters having around 28 shlokas, I think. Okay. So we are going to divide it into 4. So after every 7 shloka or 8 shloka, we will be having quiz. So all of you, please note all these things, whatever we are learning here. Okay. So these things are going to come in a quiz. Okay. Yeah. Arjuna Vishada Yoga. Everyone.
Arjuna Vishada Yoga.
Sankhya Yoga.
Sankhya Yoga.
Karma Yoga.
Karma Yoga.
Jnana Yoga.
Jnana Yoga.
Karma Sannyasa Yoga.
Karma Sannyasa Yoga.
Dhyana Yoga.
Dhyana Yoga.
Jnana Vijnana Yoga.
Jnana Vijnana Yoga.
Okay, then today's chapter is Akshara Brahma Yoga. Okay, I'm just going to share.
Akshara Brahma Yoga.
So the English name Prabhupada gave is Attaining the Supreme. Sorry. Okay, this is the chapter 8, Ashtamodhyaya, Akshara Brahma Yoga. So we are going to know about Brahman, Akshar and all those things. So that is where we are going to start our Shloka 1. So we already have an introduction today. So we will learn 1 Shloka today, okay? Otherwise, every class we are going to learn 2 Shlokas, okay? And do some revisions of whatever we have learned before. And I'm not going to go into very detail of the Shlokas meaning, but little bit I'm going to explain, okay? The basics. All of you understood? So we learn 2 Shlokas per class. And in that way, and we will have a quiz like every 7 or 8 shlokas afterwards, or maybe 3 quiz in the whole chapter. Okay, Kahoot quiz. I hope all of you know the Kahoot quiz, right? All of you are aware of Kahoot?
Yes, Matrix.
Yeah. Okay. So please note those things. And whatever we are little bit discussing about the shloka, then we will bring it in the quiz also. Okay. So the first shloka in the 8th chapter is, as I said in the 7th chapter, Krishna told certain terms. Just a minute, I will put that shloka also, so that it will be easy for all of you. Okay, this is the last shloka of the 7th chapter. Sadi Bhuta, Adi Daikam, Sadi Yajnam. These three terms Krishna told. So Arjuna is asking, what are these terms? To make it more clear for us, he is asking these questions. Okay. So I will tell once, all of you can try to repeat. You can unmute yourself when we are chanting. Okay. Then we will learn the 2 lines and each of you can tell the 2 lines. Okay. Then we'll learn the second 2 lines. And then at the end, what we'll do, we'll learn all the 4 lines. Then each of you will be telling all the shlokas. Okay. Full shloka. All of you understood what we are trying to do? Those who are new? Perfect. Okay. So whoever is chanting, it's always here. Arjuna is going to ask the question.
I understand.
Huh? What happened? Anybody? Something I heard. Okay. So Krishna, whenever Krishna is going to speak, it is going to be Shri Bhagavan Uvacha. Okay. Uvacha means whoever is going to speak. So now Arjuna is going to ask the question. Okay. Arjuna Uvacha. Okay. Try to hear and repeat. If you want, you can unmute, or if you want, you can keep your mute. But keep on repeating. We can learn the shloka in the class only. And what we have to do every day when you don't have the class, at least repeat 1 or 2 times the shlokas which we are learning. Okay. Yeah. All of you okay with that? Please try to take at least 5 to 10 minutes every day to practice. Yeah. Arjuna Uvacha. Kim Tad. Kim Tad. Yeah, everybody try to do. Brahma. Kim Tad Brahma. Kim Tad Brahma. Kim Adhyatmam. Adhyatmam. Kim Adhyatmam. Kim Tad Brahma. Kim Tad Brahma. Kim Adhyatmam. Okay, together. Kim Tad Brahma. Kim Adhyatmam. Adhyatmam. Kim Tad Brahma. Kim Adhyatmam. Arjuna Uvacha. Kim Tad Brahma. Kim Adhyatmam. Kim Karma. Kim means what is, okay? Arjuna is asking question. What is Brahma? What is Adhyatmam? What is Karma? Okay? Kim Karma. Purushottama. Who is Purushottama? Yeah. Krishna. Yeah. So Arjuna is speaking to Krishna, right? So whenever Krishna's name comes, please note it down. Why he is called Purushottama? He is best among all the Purushas.
Men.
And he is the only Purusha actually. Okay. He is the best of all the Purusha. Purusha Uttama actually. The best of all
He
Purushas.
is best among all men.
Best of all Purushas, all the men. And also he is the only Purusha. Okay. Fine. Yeah. So all of you try to remember that the name of Krishna. Every name of Krishna has a meaning, right? It has different meaning connected with different leelas. So we will try to remember that also. Okay. Kim karma purushottama.
Kim karma purushottama.
Kim karma purushottama.
Kim karma purushottama.
Okay. So there are 6 questions Arjuna is going to ask. So all of you please note, 8 questions. In this first 2, there is going to be 3 questions. In another 4 questions. And then next, first shloka 5 questions. The second shloka another 3 questions. So totally 8 questions are going to be there. Okay. So the whole chapter will be the answer for the 8 questions. Arjuna Uvacha.
Arjuna uvacha.
Kim tad brahma kim adhyatmam.
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 Kim karma purushottama.
Kim karma purushottama.
Kim karma purushottama.
Kim karma purushottama.
Okay, one more time. If anybody having doubt, you can still raise your hands. You want me to repeat, I'll repeat, okay? Arjuna Uvacha. Kim tad brahma kim adhyatmam.
Kim tad brahma kim adhyatmam.
Kim karma purushottama.
Kim karma purushottama.
If anyone is find it easy to learn, read from Hindi, Lipi, you can do that also, okay? Yeah. Okay, who would like, Aradhya would like to tell the first 2 lines? Yeah.
Okay, Mataji. Kim tad brahma kim
Arjuna Uvacha.
Arjuna Uvacha. Kim tad brahma kim adhyatmam. Kim karma purushottama.
Okay, Vishnu and Abhijit. Please all of you can raise your hands, okay?
Arjuna Uvacha. Kim tat brahma kim adhyatmam. Kim karma purushottama. Hare Krishna Mataji.
Hare Krishna. Thank you. Jahnavi?
Arjuna Uvacha. Kim tad brahma kim adhyatmam. Kim karma purushottama.
Okay. Niksha Lishita?
Arjuna uvacha. Kim tad brahma kim adhyatmam. Kim karma purushottama.
Ladini? Unmute.
Arjuna Vacha. Kim tad brahma kim adhyantam. Kim karma purushottama.
Adhyatmam. Tell this word.
Kim tad brahma kim adhyantam. Kim karma
Adhyatmam. Principal.
adhyatmam.
Very good. Yeah. Mitran?
Arjuna Uvacha Kim tad brahma kim adhyatmam kim karma purushottamam.
Very good. Pranati?
Yes, Mataji. Arjuna Uvacha Kim tad brahma kim adhyatmam kim karma purushottama.
Very good. Arav?
Arjuna Uvacha. Kim tad brahma kim adhyatmam. Kim karma purushottama.
Very good. Anyone else? So if you don't raise hand, then I'm going to call you.
Mataji, can I say?
Yeah, Shiraj, please.
Arjuna uvacha. Kim tad brahma kim adhyatmam. Kim karma purushottama.
Very good. Gaurang, sing. Yeah.
किम अर्जुन उवाच किं तत् ब्रह्म किमध्यात्मं किं कर्म पुरुषोत्तम
Very good. Adhyatmam. Madhavi?
Arjuna,
Okay, Srihan, please. Arjuna Uvacha.
Arjuna vacha kim
Hmm.
tad brahma kim
Adhyatmam.
atyatmam
Hmm.
kim karma
Purushottama.
purushottam.
Very good. Yeah. Vivo, you have to change your name, I think. I don't know. Madhavi, what about Madhavi? Bolo?
Yes.
Arjuna.
told.
Madhavi. Arjuna Uvacha.
Arjuna vacha kim tad brahma kim
Adhyatmam.
adyatmam
Kim karma.
karma
Purushottama.
purushottama.
Okay. Anyone else? Vivo V2420. Yeah. You. Your name? All of you told anybody else? Yeah. Your name? You.
Sudiksha ma'am.
Sudiksha. Okay, we have another Sudiksha also. Not come through. Yeah, Sudiksha, you want to tell?
Patuji.
Arjuna Uvacha.
Arjuna uvacha kim tat brahma kim adyatmam kim karma purushottama.
Very good. Yes, Madhav. Madhav.
Arjuna uvacha kim tat brahma kim adyatmam kim karma purushottamam.
Okay, all clear? All of you clear? 2 lines? Yeah? Okay, 3rd line, okay? Adibhutam.
Adibhutam.
Adibhutam
Adibhutam. Cha. Okay? In English, we pronounce it as ka, but here it is cha, okay? All of you try to remember. Adibhutam cha.
Adibhutam cha.
Kim proktam. Kim proktam. Kim proktam. Okay. Adibhutam cha kim proktam.
Adibhutam cha.
Adibhutam cha kim proktam. Okay. Arjuna Uvacha. Kim tad brahma kim adhyatmam.
Brahma kim adhyatmam.
Kim karma purushottama.
Kim karma purushottama.
Adibhutam cha kim proktam.
Adibhutam cha kim proktam.
Adibhutam cha kim proktam.
Adibhutam cha kim proktam.
Okay. Adidaivam.
Adidaivam.
Kim uchyate.
Uchyate.
Kim uchyate.
Kim uchyate.
Kim uchyate.
Kim uchyate.
Adidaivam kim uchyate.
Adidaivam uchyate.
Adidaivam cha kim uchyate.
Adidaivam uchyate.
Very good. Adibhutam cha kim proktam.
Adibhutam cha kim proktam.
Adibhutam cha kim proktam. अधिदैवं किमुच्यते
अधिदैवं किमुच्यते
अधिदैवं किमुच्यते
अधिदैवं किमुच्यते
Okay, so we'll go with the 3 times. We'll tell the full shloka. Then each of you going to chant the shloka. Okay, fine. Arjuna Vacha
Arjuna Vacha
Kim Tad Brahma Kim Adhyatmam
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 Kim Karma Purushottama
Kim Karma Purushottama
Kim Karma Purushottama
Kim Karma Purushottama
Adibhutam Cha Kim Proktam
Adibhutam Cha Kim Proktam
Adibhutam Cha Kim Proktam
Adibhutam
Kim Proktam
Adidaivam Kimuchyate
Adidaivam Kimuchyate
Adidaivam Kimuchyate.
Adidaivam Kimuchyate.
Okay, second time. Arjuna Uvacha
Arjuna Vacha
Kim Tad Brahma Adhyatmam
Kim Tad Brahma Kim Adhyatmam
Kim Karma Purushottama
Kim Karma Purushottama
Adibhutam Cha Kim Proktam
Adibhutam Cha Kim Proktam
Adidaivam Kimuchyate.
Adidaivam Kimuchyate.
Okay, one more time. Arjuna Uvacha
Arjuna Vacha
Kim Tad Brahma Kim Adhyatmam
Kim Tad Brahma Kim Adhyatmam
Kim Karma Purushottama
Kim Karma Purushottama
Adibhutam Cha Kim Proktam
Adibhutam Cha Kim Proktam
Adibhutam Cha Kim Proktam
Adibhutam Cha Kim Proktam
Adidaivam Kimuchyate.
Adidaivam Kimuchyate.
Okay, yeah, Niksha Lishita, please.
Arjuna Vacha Kim Tad Brahma Kim Adhyatmam Kim Karma Purushottama Adibhutam Cha Kim Proktam Adidaivam Kim Uchyate.
Pranati. Yes, Pranati.
Yes, Mataji. Arjuna Uvacha Kim Tad Brahma Kim Adhyatmam Kim Karma Purushottama Abhibhutam Cha Kim Proktam Adidaivam Kimuchyate.
Very good. Arav.
अर्जुन उवाच किम तद्ब्रह्म किमध्यात्मम् किम कर्म पुरुषोत्तम अधिभूतन च
Adibhutam Cha
अधिभूतं च किम
Proktam.
किम प्रोक्तम् अधिदैवं किम उच्यते.
Uchyate. Very good. Mitran.
Arjuna Vacha Kim Tad Brahma Kim Adhyatmam Kim Karma Purushottama Adibhutam Cha Kim Proktam Adidaivam Kim Uchyate.
Okay, very good. Madhavi. Yeah, Madhavi.
Kim Tad Brahma
Arjuna Vacha.
Arjuna Vacha Kim Tad Brahma Kim
Adhyatmam
Adhyatmam Kim
Karma
Karma
Purushottama
Purushottama
Adibhutam Cha
Adibhutam Cha Kim
Proktam Adidaivam kim uchyate. If you can't see clearly, you can see on the screen. Yeah. Adidaivam kim
Mataji, can I see?
uchyate. Yeah, Shiraj.
श्री अर्जुन उवाच किं तद् ब्रह्म किम् अध्यात्मं किं कर्म पुरुषोत्तम अधिभूतं च किं प्रोक्तम् अधिदैवं किम् उच्यते हरे कृष्ण
Thank you. Gaurang Singh. Are you there? Ladini.
Yes, Mataji, he is
Yeah,
there
go.
only.
Kim tad
Arjuna
brahma
Vacha.
Arjuna vacha kim tad brahma kim adhyatyam kim karma purushottama abhuta
Adhibhutam.
adhibhutam cha kim proktam
Adhidevam.
adhidevam kim uchyate.
Very good. Thank you. Hare Krishna. Yes, Ladini.
अर्जुनवाच किं तद् ब्रह्म किम् अध्यात्मं किं कर्म
Purushottama.
पुरुषोत्तम अधिभूतं च किं प्रोक्तम् अधिदैवं किम् उच्यते.
Okay.
Mataji,
Yes, I'm coming to where you.
Mataji me?
Yeah, Jahnavi, wait a minute. Jahnavi, coming to you.
अर्जुन उवाच किं तत् ब्रह्म किमध्यात्मं किं कर्म पुरुषोत्तम अधिभूतं च किं प्रोक्तम् अधिदैवं किमुच्यते.
Okay, thank you. Vishwajit or Abhijita there? Or I'll go to Aradhya. Yes, Aradhya.
किं तद् ब्रह्म किम्
Arjuna
अर्जुन
Vacha.
उवाच किं तद् ब्रह्म किम् अध्यात्मं किं कर्म पुरुषोत्तम अधिभूत च किं प्रोक्तम् अधिदैवं किम् उच्यते. हरे कृष्ण.
Hare Krishna. So all of you told, right? Yeah, Sudiksha. Yeah.
Arjuna Uvacha Kim Tat Brahma Kim Adhyatmam Kim Karma Purushottama Adibhutam Cha Kim Proktam Adidevam Kim Uchyate.
Hare Krishna Mataji.
Hare Krishna. Yeah, Sudiksha. Unmute yourself. Sudiksha, unmute.
किं तद् ब्रह्म किम् अध्यात्मं किं कर्म पुरुषोत्तम अधिभूतं च किं प्रोक्तम् अधिदैवं किम् उच्यते.
Perfect. All of you told, right? Madhav, yeah, Madhav, please. Madhav.
अर्जुन उवाच किं तद् ब्रह्म किम् अध्यात्मं किं कर्म
Adhyatmam.
पुरुषोत्तम अधिभूतं च किं प्रोक्तम् अधिदैवं किम् उच्यते.
Okay, so here in this, all of you got it, right? The shloka. So I'm going to send the recording of the audio also for you to practice. So all of you can practice before Thursday's class, okay? So what are the questions Arjuna is asking here, okay? What is Brahman? That means what is that which doesn't get destroyed, which is always eternal, imperishable, Brahman. That is first question, okay? Kim Tat Brahma. Then Adhyatma. What is the nature of that Brahman? Okay. And then third question is, so I'm just marking it in the red, okay? All of you can know. So because we are going to learn the whole chapter based on this, okay? Adhyatmam, second question. Kim Karma, what are the activities, okay? So what is this Brahma means? What is the nature of the Brahma? And what are the activities? And then fourth is Adibhuta. So where this Brahman activates, where is this? That is this material world. What is this material world about? Adidaivam, the fifth question here. Who takes care of this material world? So these are the 5 questions in this question, in this shloka. So next 3, there are 3 more questions which will be in the second shloka, which we will learn on Thursday. Okay, what are the questions? What is Brahman? What is the nature of Brahman? What is the activities of Brahman? Where does the Brahman perform his activities? And who is taking care of this material world? Or where is What is the material world and who is governing the material world? All of you understood the questions? What is Brahman? All of you can repeat with me.
What is
Brahman?
What is Adhyatmam? What is the nature of the Brahman?
What is
Nature, yes. What are the activities? Okay. Kim karma. Adibhutam. What is this material world about?
What is material world about?
Yeah. Fifth question is, who is taking care of this material world?
Who is taking care of this material world?
Material
When
world.
if you all of you play board games, right? Yes. How many of you played a board game? You put the dice, everything, right? Everybody. So first what you do when you get the new board game, first you try to learn the rules, right? What are the rules in the board game? And how to move, how not to move, how to win, right? All these rules you try to understand, right? That is how Arjuna is asking all these things. How should I go in the spiritual life? And so that how can I win? What is the winning strategy? That I remember Krishna at the time of death. That is a winning strategy for us. Like in a board game, there are many board games. So for example, the board game which I think anyone know some game?
What, Mataji?
Mataji, Ludo.
Ludo, yeah.
Chess, Ludo, snake and ladder.
Ludo. Ludo, what we do? We have to go in one direction only, right? Suddenly I feel like going like this. Can we go like that? No, right? We have to go in a particular direction and we have to stop in a particular direction and we have to protect ourselves in a particular direction, right? Otherwise, somebody else will come and I think in chess also the same way, right? In the same way, Arjuna is asking this question. What are the rules? How do I move? How do I don't move? How do I win? And how can I play properly? And what is this game all about? What are the different things in the games? That is the material world. And who I am. So there is a character in the board game, right? Everybody can select one character, right? All of you know that, right? Even in chess, there's a king, there's a queen, there is what else? I'm not so good in chess. You have to unmute, Sudiksha.
Mataji, there is a pawn. There is a rook.
Okay, so everything has a identity and everything. Yes, Sudiksha.
Horse, ma'am.
Horse, okay. Where it moves and how it moves, everything is there, right? And where can it start? Where can it end? Everything has some rule. So in the same way, Arjuna is asking these questions. Remember, Brahman means all of us are Brahman, okay? But we are here in this temporary. But how come we are Brahman means eternal, permanent. So how come we are called as Brahman? What is the meaning of this Brahman? And what is our nature? Actual nature, not the nature what we have. And what should be our activities? And we are in this material world. What is this material world all about? And who takes care of this material world? So these are the 5 questions Arjuna is asking in today's shloka. So in next shloka, we are going to learn 3 more questions and then we will hear the answers throughout the chapter. All of you understood? Is it difficult to understand?
Oh, Mataji.
Is it easy? Is it easy, difficult, or medium?
Mataji, easy.
Easy, right. Yeah, Krishna made it very easy for all of us to understand, okay? What all of you have to do before Thursday's class, practice this shloka and try to remember the 5 points, okay? Can you all do that?
Yes, ma'am.
Yes. Okay, I'm going to share you the recording of the shloka. You can, if you find any word difficulty, take help of your mother, father, sister. Okay, try to practice it. Take 5 minutes only every day and practice the shloka. Okay. Yeah, got it?
Yes,
Yes.
ma'am.
Okay, then. So, any other doubt? Anybody having any doubt? Are all clear?
No, Mataji. All clear.
Everybody clear? Happy? All of you are happy learning Bhagavad Gita?
Mataji.
Nobody is forced, right, to make you sit here.
No,
Happy?
ma'am.
All of you happy learning, right?
Yes.
You like to learn about Krishna. I can see that. Thank you. Very good. We'll chant one Hare Krishna mantra. Okay? Hare Krishna, Hare Krishna.
Hare Krishna, Hare Krishna.
Krishna Krishna, Hare Hare.
Krishna Krishna,
Hare Rama, Hare Rama.
Hare Rama, Hare Rama.
Rama Rama, Hare Hare.
Rama Rama.
Hare Krishna, all of you. Thank you all
Hare
very
Krishna,
much.
Mataji. Bye, Mataji.
Bye. We'll meet on Thursday, okay? Hare Krishna. Bye bye.
Hare Krishna Mataji, Dandavat
Hare
Pranam.
Krishna, Vishwajit Abhijit. Hare Krishna, Shriya. Hare Krishna, Sudiksha. Hare Krishna, Madhavi.
Hare Krishna Mataji, Dandavat Pranam. Thank you.
Hare Krishna, Arav. Thank you.
Thank you,
Hare Krishna, Sudiksha. Who was your brother or what? Sudiksha?
brother, ma'am.
What is the name? What is his name?
Dakshan.
Huh?
Dakshan.
Daksha. Which place you are from?
Second class.
Okay, you are second class. No problem. Which place you are from?
Sanat Nagar. Hyderabad, Sanat Nagar.
Hyderabad. Okay, okay, okay. Okay, thank you. Hare Krishna. See you on Thursday. Hare Krishna, Madhavi. Bye bye. Hare Krishna, Madhavi. Hare Krishna.